Hobbs and Shaw, they wanted a war, they got one.
So you guys are being hunted by an army of mercenaries led by a genetically enhanced soldier.
I'm Black Superman!
That's right.
You're crazy.
We're gonna need cars
Buckle up.
and guns.
Oh, I can handle that part.
Boom.
The music's already started. Let's see if we can get in sync.
Soy Samoa.
Well, all right.
Go en la Cuba.
Family never gives up.
Welcome to my island.
Showtime.
Oh my God, I'm a beast.
You wanna tell me just what we're dealing with here?
I'm a beast.
Look at me. I'm Black Superman. Hobbs and Shaw, you want a war, you've got one.
Oh my God, I'm a beast.
Showtime.
Let's cowboy up.
Hey, boys, remember me? I'm Black Superman.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
We're gonna need cars and guns.
Oh, I can handle that.
Let's have a bit of fun.
No one can do it better. Allow me to reintroduce myself.
Welcome to my island.
My name is...
I'm the future of the planet. Who's gonna stop me?
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is... My name is...
Let's get old school.
Thing ain't loud. I get through the block and everything that's fly. I'm like...
You want a war, you've got one.
Let's go fishing. Reel it in.
Fresh out the frying pan into the fire.
Hobbs and Shaw. You want a war, you've got one.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
You're never gonna survive that firepower.
We're gonna need cars and guns.
Oh, I can handle that part.
I get my spiny knees on whenever there's a drought. Get your umbrellas out because that's when I brainstorm.
I got your back, brother. Let me yours.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Soy Samoa. Zawia. Kangigaku. Iliakua. Go en la Cuba.